The risks and rewards of cryptocurrency investing, what you need to know. Welcome to this video on the risks and rewards of cryptocurrency investing. In recent years, cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, with some investors seeing incredible returns on their investments. However, it's important to understand the risks involved before jumping into the world of cryptocurrency. Let's start with the rewards. Cryptocurrency investing can potentially offer high returns, especially if you get in early on a promising project. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have seen massive increases in value over the years, making some investors very wealthy. Additionally, cryptocurrency investing can be a way to diversify your portfolio, adding a new asset class to your investments. However, it's important to understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and the market can be unpredictable. Some cryptocurrencies have seen massive drops in value, leaving investors with significant losses. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market can make it easier for fraud and scams to take place. It's important to thoroughly research any cryptocurrency project before investing your money. Another risk to consider is the potential for hacking and theft. Cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges have been hacked in the past, resulting in millions of dollars of losses for investors. Finally, it's important to consider the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. The process of mining cryptocurrencies requires a lot of energy, which can have a negative impact on the environment. Voiceover: in conclusion, cryptocurrency investing can potentially offer high rewards, but it's important to understand the risks involved before investing your money. Make sure to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.